In this video, we will go through the two ways that HID's ACW2 XN system can be expanded. One, by adding an ACW2 Wigan door module, and two, by adding a slave ACW2 XN connected via RS485 to the master controller in the ACW2 XN. You can expand the system by adding an ACW2 if there is space in the metal enclosure to do so. It is possible to add the new ACW2 without switching off the system. However, this should only be done if it complies with regulations. In the new Wigan door module box, you will find Ziploc bags containing spare screws and labels. Place the label on the back of ACW2 XN quick guide in the location where the new module will be fitted. Remove the cap over the backplane connection. Orient the Wigan door module so that the backplane connectors line up. Slide the Wigan door module towards the center so that the two backplane connectors mate. Insert the 4 mounting screws. Once the new Wigan module is mounted, it is ready to connect the wiring. The new Wigan door module can be detected by clicking Device Discovery in the door view of the HID Access Manager software. If all the berths in the ACW2 XN enclosure are already used, or a second group of doors are a significant distance away from the first group, the system can be expanded by connecting a slave ACW2 XN. The slave unit comes in its own metal enclosure and connects to the master controller via RS485. The slave unit can be up to 1 kilometer away from the master controller. First, power off and unplug the master and slave units. Ensure that the dip switch settings on the slave controller are set correctly to all off. Then, wire the RS485 cable into the device RS485 port on the slave controller. The opposite end of the cable is wired into the device RS485 port on the master controller. The rest of the wiring to the slave unit is the same as for the master, except that there is no network connection. The new slave unit can be detected by clicking Device Discovery in the door view of the HID Access Manager software.